What's good, YouTube? Pretty much break even on the day. Wasn't planning on trading today, but my setup formed, so I ended up taking it. Pretty much going over what I saw going into the day. Kind of slept in this morning because I wasn't going to trade. I hopped on the chart, saw what I liked. So I don't really have like an outlook for today, but I'm pretty much going to go over what I saw. But yeah, today was an unfortunate break even. Shit happens. Can't do anything about this. Just gonna make this quick because I'm trying to study for my test. But yeah, let's just do it real quick. Okay, so starting on the daily. Right, today's a little weird because first off we did inverse daily for value gap, but on ES we're still respecting it as well as still respecting this NWOG. So, and we have all these relative equal highs, so the odds of us going higher are a lot more likely. Coming on here, we did end up tapping equilibrium. Keep that in mind. So going into the 4 hour, right, if you are bearish, you would want to see this get respected, this bearish 4 hour. But at that point, it just doesn't make sense what you are targeting, right? We swept out these lows, right? This becomes your overall breaker. You end up tapping into it, right? Still respecting this fair value gap. We now have the S&T at this low, right here, and then right here on ES. And like I said, just all these relative equal highs. The odds of us running out these before running out this is just a lot more likely. So you're going to lean more bullish going today. What I did notice also is that at pre-market, right, we ended up taking out Asia low, right, while still respecting this 1 hour for value gap and creating this S&T. So this last green candle becomes your 1 hour breaker, right? And then so we also have this small 1 hour for value gap here. And so yeah, going today, pretty much pumped that open. Right from here, right, marked out your buy side. We already taken on ES, but just the odds of us going higher are a lot more likely. So you're kind of going to disregard these, small S&Ts. But yeah, respecting this breaker, and then right, I'm pretty much looking for a continuation model, which is pretty much, the 5 or 15 minute for value gap to form and price trades back into it, S&T, all that, unicorn model. So you see we took out this low here on ES, but never took it out on NQ, right? So this is your more bullish asset. Still keep in mind we did sweep out this low, so this is still a unicorn, but it is sponsored by S&T. So this will be, hopefully you guys can hear me. Mike wasn't over there. Hope you guys can still hear me, but yeah, this is pretty much it. Where I have that breaker, we end up forming a 5 minute breaker, right? We still had a 3 minute breaker. That's what I was pretty much looking at. But yeah, I had the closure above 1 minute for value gap, and from here, right, kind of have my stop loss low right here just for precautions. Don't want to have it here because price could easily trade back into it, wake you out, and run. So it's just safe wise, and pretty much was targeting this buy side right over here, and then I was gonna leave runners up here. So it wasn't a crazy RR. Did end up risking a little bit less. Yeah, not the best RR. Usually target 2 RRs for the unicorn model, and then I was gonna scale out like 2 here, leave some runners, just because on the higher time frame it looks like we're gonna push higher. But today we have a lot of news tomorrow, so I wasn't expecting anything crazy, but we did pump that open, so it just makes sense to leave runners. But yeah, that's it. Unfortunately, right, was targeting this when break even after these highs got taken. And what I've been noticing this month and a lot of other traders is that price will eventually run to your break even before running to your TP. So I was a victim of that today. I remember saying in the Discord that that's probably going to happen, right? Said if I get break even, I swear to God, everyone has been talking about how price runs to a break even before running to a TP. And yeah, got break even, and I was like, I bet it runs to your TP, which it did. So just unfortunate, right? Not going to be emotional, right? I traded my plan and got break even, and that's that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys are able to capture a dip today, or break even's always good. You didn't lose any money, right? So what I see for the rest of the day, could easily run up here. or just could consolidate the rest of the day. I don't have any reasonings why price should, go all the way down. If anything, I could probably sweep out these lows before, going a little higher. But, have the 1 hour CRT, but there's just no reason why we should come all the way back down here. So, probably just chop around or go higher. That's what I'm looking at. I say we just pump, honestly. But y'all have a blessed rest of your guys' day. I'll be on tomorrow. Hopefully get a little trade tomorrow. We got, PMI and CPI, so that'll be pretty good. Still gonna wait for all these news to come out before trading. So I'll probably be trading around like 10 a.m. New York time. But that's pretty much what I have for today. I know my thing's always positioned here, but copy trading 5 and pretty much break even. So that's that. Pretty much break even on the week. So it's kind of hard with the government shutdown. Not really a lot of volatility, but a lot of break evens. But just gotta stay patient, conserve your capital, and that's pretty much it. So you have a blessed rest of your guys' day. This probably will run, but yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Peace.